This causes unexplained hatred, even from your own family. 3 psychological reasons people start to dislike you for no clear reason. Let me start with an uncomfortable truth. If you feel like people suddenly become cold, distant, or irritated around you, most of the time it's not because you did something wrong, it's because something about you triggers something inside them, and they don't even realize it themselves. The first reason, you become a mirror they don't want to look into. Sometimes, just by how you live your life, you remind others of what they avoided. Your discipline, your consistency, your ability to finish what you start. You don't criticize them, you don't say anything, but their brain whispers, "I should have done more," and that feeling hurts. So instead of facing that pain, they project it onto you. That's why even close people start mocking, minimizing, or distancing themselves, not because you're wrong, but because you remind them of what they avoided becoming. The second reason, you stop being predictable. Most people feel safe when they can predict you, when you always say yes, when you always stay available. But the moment you set boundaries, something changes. You say no, you pull back, you protect your time, and suddenly people feel uneasy around you. Not because you became cold, but because they lost control over the version of you they were used to. That discomfort often turns into quiet resentment. The third reason, you disrupt the unspoken hierarchy. Every group has invisible roles: the quiet one, the agreeable one, the one who always adapts. When you stop playing your old role, the system reacts, not with logic, but with emotion. Instead of saying you grew, they say you changed. And for many people, change feels like a threat. Here's the important part. If everyone dislikes you, you should self-reflect. But if people start pulling away exactly when you grow, that's not a failure, that's a consequence. Not everyone can tolerate the upgraded version of you, and that's the quiet cost of becoming stronger. Sometimes being disliked is proof you're no longer betraying yourself.